Look at her. I don't know whether to be scared or horny to get like I don't think I'm ready, bro. Like I ain't gonna lie, I don't think I'm ready. Like I don't think I'm ready. I don't think I'm prepared to like to witness this this quality. Oh yeah. All right, last week was pretty tough. All right, last week was pretty tough. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. This week is get back season. It's get back season. That's all it is get back season. Get back for Makima and get back for Himino. Look at her. It's get back time. You guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for reactions, upload to the Patreon, man. We stream on Twitch. Be here with us every single week. I stream every single day, mostly. Links are in the description. This is about to be something, hopefully something special. Hopefully something special. It's not even like hopefully. I know it's about to be something special, nigga, because I never get let down by Mappa. That's a fact. Emotionally, that's a whole different story. Do I gotta witness it again, bro? By the way, I really ain't noticed like the CGI, but like, I seen people like complain about it for some reason. How the fuck do you complain about last week's episode? I was legit confused. How do y'all do that? Like I barely read for like, and then like I'm looking back at it, like, oh yeah, that is CGI, isn't it? I'm like, I didn't even notice it. It's like they be on meat, like I be meat riding, dog, like at an extreme rate, like professionally, like this y'all job type shit. Like it's insane. She's just there with it. Fuck you, yeah, fuck you. Damn, bro. Pain, dog. Pain, dog. Like straight up, I didn't even peep. She only sacrificed a fucking fingernail, I think. Is that what that was? Yep. Yo, load up. Hey, yo, load up. What? Yeah, she dead ass only sacrificed the fingernail, and all that the fucking heavy did all of that. Like, god damn, bro. I just wonder if something else I wanted to talk about that I seen on the internet regarding this episode. Damn. Not gonna lie, her rather just lose the finger. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, she took that fucking fingernail off like a champ. I would have been crying. Let's get back season. Get back! Get back! I've heard nothing but great things potentially for this episode. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, go mode. That nigga got the extender on. Touch it. Oh, it's time. Bro, they know what the best ending is. I'm just saying, they know. Oh yeah, fuck that up. It's not. Oh yeah, the girls. He get the laugh. Yo. Oh shit. Like, I'm sorry. Like, why are we getting hit with the OP, bro? I'm already locked in. Like, I got, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm almost there type shit. Like, what the fuck? You blue balling me out this bitch. Like, after talking about the studio shit, am I wrong for saying this is potentially Mappa's best looking project? I don't think I'm wrong, though. Like, that ass thing, like, is just, I don't think I'm wrong. I'm not wrong for saying it's not even close either. I'm not wrong. Oh, bro, Aki, dog. Oh, that motherfucker's boxing, boy. Oh, this can't fuck with the chainsaw now. God damn, bro, the force. Oh my god. Are you losing today? Where did y'all come from, bro? Get the fuck out. What y'all doing here? Get out. Get out. Oh my god, bro. Yo, he be straight. Damn, bro, they lighting his ass up. He dropped the ball on him. Like, how does he not like accidentally shred this nigga's head open? I'm not gonna lie. He's just like talking sideways and shit. He get the lick at him. Yo, Denji's a fucking freak. So he don't give a fuck. He's about to kill him. That was cold. That nigga. Oh! Yo! Oh! All of Chainsaw's people should be dead. Yo, we really got fucked up. Like, ew. That was kind of disgusting. Like, it just fall off. Like, damn. That was insane. Fuck. I'm telling you, bro, this is... Damn, through the fucking throat. Oh, grandma caught that body, dog. Oh, Bachan smoked him. Where Kobeni though? Oh, Kobeni put Kobeni put Bachan down, and Kobeni was like, "Yo, what the fuck, nigga?" Smoked the granny. She just popped up. Oh shit. Oh, look at you guys, got scars on your shit. Y'all look cool. Man, she tall as a motherfucker, ain't he? Ain't she? Damn, she like almost a foot taller than Brody. Yo, that's fatal, nigga. Like, oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah! She turned, nigga. She turned. Oh, I'm scared. It's the eyes. The eyes. The eyes. This isn't mine. I wasn't shot. Oh my god. Yo, Rudy, all the motherfucking donuts, nigga. We got we stacking all the motherfuckers. 30 convicts with life sentences. Like I love how everybody's just walking past. She's covered in blood. Nobody's like, what the fuck? Nobody's running. Nobody's scared. Just, nobody's worried about her. It's just a normal day, nigga. It's just a normal day. Like, do we need all those frames for people eating food? Like random niggas just eating food? Do we need all that? Like, bro, that's so clean. Yeah, I'm gonna continue sucking map off. For sure. Like, she is tall as the fucking frame. This bitch is tall. This the uneasy feeling. Such unease, dog. Like, I only think one thing, or I got one thing in my brain. I don't know what happens after. Oh shit, nigga, Itachi on your ass. He's so scared about that. What the fuck? Something's what? Fuck, are you okay? Oh, he's schizophrenic. Okay, I get it. Oh shit! Okay. Okay. I'm sorry for calling you schizophrenic. That just wasn't the case. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's not what I remembered, by the way. What the fuck? Oh, this is her shaking. She's shaking up. Verify MAKIMA'S body. Oh my god. Oh, they animated that so wild. Like, holy shit. Oh god, dude, this is what I remember. Like with the convicts, right? Yeah. Got them all lined up, bro. I'm so scared of her. I'm scared. Why are we blindfolded? Don't have the clearance to know about her double contracts. Holy shit. Yes, Mom. I mean, oh. Oh, yo, what the fuck? The hands! Oh my god! Yo, this shit is crazy. I'm crazy. Oh my god. Damn, she got that dumpy. She put that dumpy. I mean, and she smiles afterwards and shit. Like, Jesus. Oh my goodness. Smooth got the death note, dog. That ass got the death note. Oh, they got this shit perfect. I am terrified. I am scared. I am scared. And she's still bad as shit. Like, holy shit, dog. Be perfect. Just so perfect. and it puts it above a level like they do such an amazing job capturing these feelings, dog. Holy shit. Woo! As she just sits there gazing. I'm scared. Yes, mom. I mean, got a helicopter? What the fuck? Oh, she smoked on Bachan. She smoked on Bachan. Damn. Kobeni, get back. Get back. Wait, hold on. What you do to old Bachan, Kobeni? Are you with the shooter? Oh, shit. Oh, my God. That looks deep. Oh, oh my God. I'm so hold up. This bitch is crazy. Oh my God. Yo, Kobeni Wick. Hold up. Best girl, hold up. But Kobeni Wick, nigga, hold up. She used that nigga as a shield. Oh my God. She is her. Look at her. The face of a savage. Like Mappa, how? Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold up, bro. I gotta go back. Cause this shit was so fucking cold. Like, Jesus. No look, turn around. Bop. Done. Caught that bitch. Done. That shit was so tough. That is wild. Oh my God. The woman in this series is fucking scary. They're goddamn terrifying. Hoping you get in the field, she go crazy. Gotta laugh or cry. Apologizing for attempted murder. Oh my God. What did you do to old Bachan? Oh my God. Oh Bachan, no. Oh Bachan. Oh. Bro, this bitch is so cold. Oh my God. She's so cold. Holy shit. R.I.P. Alright, dog. Damn. She putting on a performance of a lifetime right now, dog. Oh my God. I have to tell him, you know, quitting with us. Fuck. And she says that with a little smile on her face. Oh my God. We'll be under your command, Makima. Oh fuck. My resignation. I'm quitting. I'm out of this bitch. like, are y'all niggas? Do y'all not feel uncomfortable? I am extremely uncomfortable. Look at her. I don't know whether to be scared or horny. They get like into a private citizens. Oh damn. That's a shame. Oh, this episode. Oh my God. What the fuck is Shiv talking about? Watching this dude chainsaw Vanessa and the flow of the animation feels off. That nigga hating. Yo, hold up, bro. I'm exposing him. Look what this nigga done said. Look what this nigga done said, bro. Hold on. Look at this nigga. He hating. Why you being a weirdo? I don't give a fuck if you gave it a 10 out of 10, nigga. You hating right now. You hating. Stop hating. Oh my God. This damn episode, bro. Holy shit. And I'm putting it in a YouTube video. Niggas gonna be on your ass. But, oh. This episode showed one thing. Me personally, and I think it's the terrifying amount of women in this series. Because they are demons, dog. Demons, straight demons, boy. They badass, dog. And I love it. I loved it. shit, man. They just too good, man. Like, do we deserve this? Are we worthy? Are we worthy? The KOBENI hate is about to plummet. I ain't gonna lie, the KOBENI Mappa saw niggas hating on KOBENI for a split second. Was like, hold up, bro. Hey, hold up. We about to show these niggas. We about to show them for real. They about to show them for real. Like, it's savage mode. Oh my goodness. I don't think we're worthy to view this, honestly. I think we're too blessed in this timeline of anime to see pretty things. Wow. Wow. What a fucking episode. What an episode. I gotta say, bro, like I don't know how it could be. Like, it's just directing. It's the whoever the director is for the this series. Whenever Makima's on the screen or whenever some intense things are about to take place or is taking place, they just do such an amazing job at capturing the feeling. Like, I know it's been a minute since I've gotten into the series, bro, but like in me saying that, like, it's like experiencing things again, or like for damn near like a first time thing, especially when it's going through this anime and the way the production is going. Like, now after this episode, I just got straight fear and uncomfortableness from Makima, because you just straight up just don't know what she's thinking. We got a view of her ability today, her contract, and it just seems like she just can straight up just sacrifice other people's lives for use of that devil, you know what I'm saying? Hey, that's straight terrifying. At least she took like death row inmates. I mean, at least there's that. The motherfuckers is dying a little early, but like, you know, oh man. And we don't know what KOBENI's contract is. Fucking around, had like the knife devil or some shit. Like, Shorty still had that butcher knife on her, bro. She keep that thing on her for real. I don't know, dog, but damn. Wow, what an episode. Well, it's time to get into the new ending. You know what time it is. I'm assuming it's going to be something similar to what we got well, not last week, but the week prior. Maybe similar. Just a lot of love for the woman cast, you feel me? So I'm excited to get into it, man. Like, oh no. Is that Himeno? Oh, stop hurting my heart, bro. I thought it was gonna be more like Makima based. Come on, dog. I'm sad now. Oh, that's so beautiful. What the fuck, bro? Back to back? Oh, this is Aimer? Oh, that's some fucked up visuals, man. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is Aimer. Yeah. Holy shit. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Damn. Bro, that's such a sad fucking ending, man. Holy shit, bro. That's so damn sad. I think the visuals take these goddamn endings to a whole nother level, if I'm being honest. I think these visuals I damn near about to say like the visuals for every ending is 10 out of 10. Like, I think they are 10 out of 10, at least 9. I don't think it's anything lower than 9. I think the visuals are fucking beautiful in every fucking ending that they dropped and released. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say, though. All I can say is just wow. Wow.